In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set things up so your team can start collaborating right away. Start on the Home tab in Slack. From here, open the Directories area, and then switch to the Channels tab. This view shows you a complete list of channels in your workspace, so it's a great place to get your bearings before you create something new. Take a quick moment to scan through the existing channels, or use the search bar if it's available. This helps you avoid duplicating a channel that already exists and keeps your workspace organized. Next, select Create Channel. This button is your starting point for spinning up a new space dedicated to a topic, project, or team. Clicking it will open the setup window where you'll enter the basic details. Give your channel a clear, concise name. Aim for something descriptive that teammates will instantly understand. Short, consistent names make it easier for everyone to find the right place to talk. If your organization uses naming conventions, like team project or department topic, stick with those to keep things tidy and predictable across the workspace. Now, choose the visibility for your channel. Public channels are open to anyone in the workspace to find and join, which is ideal for cross-team knowledge sharing and transparency. Private channels are invite-only, which is best for sensitive work, limited audiences, or early-stage projects that need a smaller group. Choose carefully based on the kind of conversations and files you expect to share. As a helpful note, it's generally easier to start private if there's any doubt about confidentiality. With the name and visibility set, you're ready to start adding members. Begin typing the names of teammates who need to be part of the conversation, and select them as they appear. Think about who will contribute regularly and who needs visibility into the updates. Don't worry if you miss someone now. You can always add more people later. Keeping the initial group focused can help launch discussions more effectively, and expanding the audience over time is simple. That's it. You reviewed existing channels, created a new one, named it thoughtfully, set the right visibility, and added the people who matter. You're ready to post your first message and get the conversation rolling. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Slack channel.